MTI-TV. I'm Sam, and today we're going to talk about MAPEI's Mapelastic AquaDefense, the industry's most trusted roll-on premium waterproofing and crack isolation membrane. The liquid rubber formula bonds to a wide range of surfaces, has no odor, and is quick drying, which means that 30 to 50 minutes after application, you can start installing tile. So when and where can you use Mapelastic AquaDefense? It can be applied in a lot of different places, including both residential and commercial applications. The fact that it has no odor makes it great for use indoors and in confined occupied spaces. It can be applied in wet areas such as showers and backsplashes before the tile gets installed. It can even be applied in submerged locations. It acts as a waterproofing membrane to keep the water where you want it. The tile industry recommends that you use a continuous membrane as waterproofing, and Mapelastic AquaDefense is one of the best on the market for that purpose. It exceeds ANSI 118.10 and ANSI 118.12 standards for waterproofing and crack isolation membranes, and is ICC and IATMO listed for use as a shower pan liner. Mapelastic AquaDefense applies like paint. However, before beginning the application process, be sure to fill in any cracks or open areas and treat corners per industry standards and the backerboard manufacturer's recommendations. Start by stirring Mapelastic AquaDefense and then use a well-coated 3/8" nap roller to apply the product. You'll know when it's dry when it changes from a bluish green to a light green. This lighter color has improved the visibility when snapping chalk lines in poorly lit spaces. After 2 coats, look for pinholes. Be sure to fill those so that when the waterproofing is continuous and monolithic. And make sure to apply sealant around pipe entries, drain flanges, or other points where the membrane joins other parts of the assembly. Be sure to pack and fill any openings with the appropriate expansion joint materials, such as foam backer rod, and make sure that you cover it with a sealant. Then typically, within an hour of applying the second coat of Mapelastic AquaDefense, you should be ready to tile. 12 hours after the application, you can flood test. This is also a great way to tell if you have a watertight system before you start tiling. Be sure to check out the latest technical data sheet for all the places where Mapelastic AquaDefense can be used. So as a quick recap, Mapelastic AquaDefense is a waterproofing membrane for interior and exterior installations, is a roller applied, has a light green color when dry for improved visibility in low light conditions, and it can be flood tested after 12 hours. For more information about Mapelastic AquaDefense or MAPEI solutions for waterproofing, visit us online at www.mapei.com. I'm Sam for MTI-TV. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then make sure that you don't miss the next episode by clicking the bell icon down below. Thanks again for watching this edition of MTI-TV.